Alright, I just had something happen. I backed into my driveway. I have a manual, obviously. Pulled my emergency brake, let off the brake, and it popped. Let's see if it does it again. It's done it twice. The first time it did it was when I climbed Crawler's Ridge at Rausch Creek, the Badge of Honor. That's these things up here. Not that one. When I got to the top of that, I went to set the brake, and the brake popped, and the thing started rolling back down the edge that I climbed up. And it just, all of a sudden, it just goes pop like that, and it actually physically lets go. So I'm trying to get it to do it again. That's scary, man. I don't know if it's something to do with this piece here, like if it's not setting all the way. Okay. Because I didn't set it that hard. Like that. And it just popped. It's something to do with the mechanism here. Trying to get it to do it again. Alright, that's the brakes. Because I don't have it set that well. Now let's move it again. Alright, so let's try that. See what happens. Nope. Trying to move the truck. That was freaky. I just went to park my truck. Just in the driveway. Went to park my truck, right? And all of a sudden it went pop and started rolling. That was freaky. But I want to make it do it again. Yeah, that's kind of what it did. It did like... I don't know if everyone realizes that this push button here, you know, you do it to, but it popped like that, and it let go. That's freaky. Anybody else having this problem? And I know I didn't hit this because I just came in and went, yeah, truck's parked. I have to leave it in gear. I don't like leaving it in gear. Because, God forbid, I forget when I go to start the truck. Turn the truck off. Right, so now I got it in gear. I leave it in gear, but see now I can take it. I can not use this, and it's in gear. If I take it out of gear, see, it won't let me do it because the pressure's on it. Freaky. All right, so let's back up. All right. Again, let go. No, didn't do it. That was freaky. Because that could have popped when I was in the house. But the two times it's done it, it's popped. It's popped when, within the first minute of me doing it. No, I'm trying to move it. I mean, it's making that sound because I don't have the brake set that hard. I set it real high. Freaky. I can't get it to do it. Let me try one more time. Nope, not doing it. Damn it. This is like when you bring your car to the mechanic. It's making a noise, and you can't get it to freaking do it again. Oh, man, this is annoying. Come on, do it. Well, it just keeps climbing. All right, I tried.